Abaiwe na swording. Right? Na swording. Obi antimi nka kire me meka kire no. Na swording. You see? Na do swording. Ontie the national security for no ke yankobo no tutu Independence Square.
The Citizen Festival.
Citizen Festival. You were told, the state protocol were told by the national security, say, hey, yes, security assessment. Grounds in good. Because NAPCO for any national service for Bebre, Aji Independence Square na boso.
The youth, no.
More the president, anything can happen. State protocol for so say. Everything is under control.
National security
so the name of misinformation.
You see,
national protocol advises.
Let me tell you something.
Yes.
Yeah, 2008, the last slot. Our time. And yes, Bisako Kosohene, we were with J.A. Akufo Asunyani. When instruction order bar say that I'm the same Kandapaya was the first minister.
Pajamas. And I don't know.
What say?
And Obeka said no. The national security cannot guarantee the safety of His Excellency the President. That was then J. Akufo.
I would think.
I don't know.
There
was we were at Sunyani. And yes, me say. There was a state protocol officer who said that, Your Excellency, everything is under control. In fact, we have arranged and the army and what about that? Or to this, our head now, we are not just kidding. What is on I said, David, when you're civilian, say, Adama, be a civilian. I said, Namenko. Before we could say Jack, within 2 minutes, what can I say? Do? So take tall, despite right there. Yeah. No, what? See him, hey! Everybody get ready. Up to Accra. You do what's crying in July. And then cry. Whether the woman kind of. Now say, it is how. Say, and it is how. Say, then you, the president obeyed the national security. No. You get it? Because they are in charge of your safety. And to say a assessment, we Independence Square. Okay. I don't know, man, didn't who got to a whole president.
Oh,
Kasana boy say,
hey, papa, away,
president.
and also Okasa for 7 minutes.
Yeah,
48. 7 minutes 48 seconds. Udi ma dey be. Started. Yeah, okay. Or started no oketwi. Oma won nyina kwa ba na chese o kasa kire Ghana for. Baby ame me di ya okakra was unse baby a wanyina du no there be a written speech any a trade man and of course anything na no
copy tribute.
I mean say you expect 78-year-old. I mean you should expect some of these things. Me worry was the organizers. And you can't control them, but say the captain can say you can't blame the president because advisors now one.
You see?
No, advisors.
You
can't blame the president.
I will never blame advisors. You see, boys now.
Advisors now one.
No one about president tutu. No. Let me say this. Me, say president too. We are wine in this country. We are the me catch it.
Because it's a national and international program. Very embarrassing.
You don't hoot at a president.
Under what?
No, Kofi. Listen. And Mebruna, yes, and should bow down their goddamn heads in shame.
It's not the best.
You don't hoot at a president. This is what you do at a president. Ope kosia. No ape tomatoes. No ape nsuo. Now listen to me, ye Ghana mebunu muntie me ye. When my president in Mejina Bonting. Now when you ho. No. It's against international presidential protocol. Ye sa. Ope tomatoes. No ape kosia. No ape nsuo. Tomatoes ni kosua, tomatoes ni nsuo no ekọ from below his waist. It is a president ni ye bibi na enya or can bibi na wo mpa. Your tomatoes must go.
No what to there.
No what to about the night.
Now I don't know who the
No. That is the international practice. What they tell me? No, what
they international practice very wrong.
What they tell me?
Then I got to then you say
not one man in nsuo. I want to say that you have destroyed our future. That is the international practice. So, that is why Akwana Okoto Pabwa. Ebo Macron. Basically, then the Bush of France or Muhuno.
But George Bush so.
George Bush, basically, on now,
I wouldn't say no, a year, Queen Elizabeth, a year, Prince Edward, Obin switching a crowd in him, catch a room.
No, or catch says you gotta quit the lane. You don't deserve to be here.
You don't deserve to be.
That is different.
But warren
hooting at a president,
whether hooting or hooting,
whatever, no, it's wrong.
It's wrong.
The TNS
don't encourage tomatoes.
The TNS, no, I don't international practice.
Akoma tomatoes.
As a senka one handle president, you know. They should have taken the security assessment very well. They didn't do that, and they allowed the youth to ambush unim.
Oh, nana ni munya krao. Nana ni munya krao ye basa.
Oh, yes, state protocol for one say.
Yes.
Now, Addo, we have a national security coordinator, Asumani, who understands the dynamics of security, and they should liaise with Asumani to make sure, say, so Kasa Hama president, reason.
Now, me crown, me nim.
Information minister,
a creative art ministry. All be I can give him.
Kofi Yakwada. Necessary president bad.
Okay.
Now, what shall Addo terrain
for you know
as a
festival? Yeah.
Me catch a woman as a president on ma. So I was build so me say papa on ma. National security as many who said no.
And yet,
when him say as many be drew Addo Friday ahomachi 2 a.m. About 2 now as many fees obi anim so ho ba na me hu so nnam because yes we are na 2 a.m. okọ back no ade che esi o yasuma obosi sai kofu
yeah
say ombesi president anai. And I am reliably informed that the national security informed the state protocol. Don't allow the president. Listen to me. The national security informed the state protocol. Don't allow the president. Don't, please, empower man. No more than alcohol.
A purely youth program. You are not seeking for re-election. So who's seeking for re-election? I'm going to grow my popularity. Anyway,
and